had this really cool idea to do all these projects today and label all the stuff in my room, and Christmas Day was just relaxing. We took the dogs to the park, made biscuits and gravy, and it's late at night and I'm like, oh yeah, I didn't post my last video of my series and I need to do that so I can finish things, because I never finish things, and I have a whole story about that I'll do on a video later. I want to thank you guys first off, because I gained 167 followers this year on YouTube. I made 24 videos, and that's not including the lives that I've done. And some of my stuff behind the scenes and extras go into my Patreon, so if you are interested in that, you can find all that information there. I do have one course up on Skillshare. I have 3 more coming, so I'm in the works on that. And now that I have a nice new setup where things can be more consistent, a lot more content is coming in 2022. I was able to make 15 new shirt designs this year. I also made 2 coloring books and wrote and illustrated 3 kids books. So those are all on my website or on Amazon. You can check that all out if you're interested. I also made 290 sales on Shopify, whether that was t-shirts, cards, books, designs, quite a number of things. I also tried to orchestrate or create my own songs. I also learned how to make GIFs through Procreate and through Adobe Fresco. It's been a year of learning, and I can't wait to see what 2022 has. If you guys have any suggestions, ideas, or things you want to learn, let me know. I would love to teach you guys. I know a lot of things, I just don't have a lot of time to give them all to you. So if there's something focused that you're interested in, let me know and I'll get to that first. I do also want to full tour on my mobile screen printing platen, my flash dryer stand, do full comparison on line table printing versus rotary printing. There's my cue because my dog's here. You want to say hi? Come on. Come on. Say thanks. Come on, up. Up. He's so tired. I know, we went for a walk today. Okay. Okay, we're done. All right, that's my cues. I will see you guys next year. You'll see a lot more. You'll see a lot more of him too, because he's a very big attention hog. Yeah. Okay, bye.